Lead generation techniques have a variety of advantages and disadvantages. A company seeking to attract new customers or increase its profits will often utilize lead generation methods. These companies recognize that in some cases. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 3 common lead generation examples. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. It is necessary to use these techniques before other marketing approaches can be employed. Others believe lead generation techniques are outdated and that other approaches to marketing are more effective. This article will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of lead generation. One advantage of lead generation examples is the amount of time it takes to generate the required leads. There may be a single advertisement, radio spot, or television commercial that is required to generate one lead. Some techniques may lead to many more leads than this. Other lead generation tactics may lead to fewer leads, but these are easier to track. All in all, lead generation techniques are time-consuming because there is an initial investment of time that is required before the payoff. Another advantage of lead generation examples is that they provide instant gratification. When someone clicks on a link to a site, a person receives immediate information. This allows for immediate contact. By contacting the potential customer now, the company is less likely to miss this opportunity. The landing page may also offer the visitor a way to subscribe to the mailing list so that the next time they are online, they can receive the information right away. There are also advantages when it comes to lead generation examples. For example, some of the lead generation forms that are available on the internet do not require any type of investment. In fact, there are free versions of some of the best marketing strategies. Examples include a press release, a viral video, or a blog entry. Many of these forms are very effective for generating leads, especially if they are used on a daily basis. Lead generation is not limited to television ads or radio spots. A lot of money and time is wasted by companies that do not use SendPulse as one of their lead generation best practices. Many companies use SendPulse in order to track the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns. They can determine which advertisements are more likely to drive up the amount of traffic to their websites. As far as what advantages companies stand to gain from lead generation, there are many. One advantage is that Facebook and other social media sites allow companies to reach out to a much greater number of potential consumers. They can also create an online community of consumers that is similar to that of their physical stores. The company can use their social media pages to promote upcoming events, discounts, specials, and everything else they have to offer. In fact, a lot of companies have created blogs and websites just to enhance their ability to use social media marketing efforts. Another advantage of using a website like Facebook is that the marketing effort has a much wider range of people than most other marketing efforts. The marketing campaign can reach out to the members of a high school or college class all the way up to the parents of 5-year-olds. It is because of this wide audience that Facebook has become such a successful lead generation tool for many companies. The third advantage is that it allows marketers to test their strategies. Marketers can find out the results of different advertisement campaigns by testing them out. They can see which ad campaigns bring in more leads and which bring in fewer. They can also see which strategies convert the highest percentage of leads into sales. This information is priceless because it lets marketers know what they should focus on. It is because of this that all online lead generation strategies should be evaluated based on these results. Thanks for watching my video about 3 common lead generation examples. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.